In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a BingX account. Whether you're diving into cryptocurrency trading for the first time or looking to explore a new platform, setting up your BingX account is quick, straightforward, and user-friendly. Let's jump right in and guide you through the process step by step. To start, open your preferred web browser and head over to BingX's official website. Simply type in the URL, bingx.com, and press enter. Upon reaching the home page, you'll be greeted with an array of features and resources that BingX offers to its users. As a crypto social trading platform, BingX allows users to trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies while also engaging with other traders, making it a versatile platform for both beginners and experienced traders. Once you're on the website, look towards the top right corner of the home page. You should find a button labeled Sign Up. Give it a click, and you'll be directed to the account creation page. Here, you'll notice that BingX provides multiple ways to register your account, offering flexibility depending on your preference or convenience. Now, you have the option to sign up using different methods, via email, Google, or Apple. For those who prefer sticking with traditional registration methods, selecting the email option allows you to create an account by filling in basic details such as your email address and a secure password. This is a great method if you'd like to keep your account tied specifically to your email without linking it to other services. Alternatively, if you want a quicker sign-up process and perhaps the convenience of syncing with existing accounts, you can choose to sign up using your Google or Apple credentials. For Google users, click on Sign In with Google, which will prompt a new window facilitating the login with your Google credentials. Similarly, if you're an Apple user, clicking Continue with Apple will take you through Apple's secure authentication process. After deciding which method to use, proceed to fill in the requisite information. Double-check all your details to ensure everything is correct before moving forward. It's always a good idea to use a password that's both unique and strong to help secure your account against unauthorized access. Finally, once all the information is filled out and you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the Sign Up button at the bottom. This will initiate the account creation process, and in just a few moments, you should receive a confirmation that your BingX account has been successfully created. Congratulations, you're now ready to begin your trading journey on BingX. Remember, always explore the platform's features and resources to get the most out of your trading experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, BingX's support team is typically very responsive and ready to help. Happy trading!